former Education Cabinet Secretary, will be laid to rest at his home in Umiru, Nyamninia, Yala on February 20, 2023. That is Umiru Village, Nyamninia in Yala sub-county, in Yala division on February 11, 2023. Now, ahead of the burial, a series of funeral events have been lined up leading to his interment. 1. On February 8, 2023, a farewell caravan shall proceed from Lee Funeral Home through some of the places that defined Professor Magoha's adult life, including the College of Health Sciences at Kenyatta Hospital, the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council headquarters, the Nigerian High Commission, St. George's Primary School, the Kenya National Examinations Council on Dennis Prit, State House Girls, the University of Nairobi Graduation Square, and Starehe Boys Center. So the caravan will leave Lee Funeral Home and will terminate at Starehe Boys Center, where he spent his secondary school life and which formed much of what it turned out to be. On February the 9th, 2023, a requiem mass will be held at the Consolata Shrine in Westlands, starting at 9 a.m. This important mass that will celebrate his life and what he always believed in, which was always guided by his deep Catholic faith. On February the 10th, 2023, the body of Professor Magoha will arrive at Township Primary School in Yala at 1 p.m. before a procession leading up to St. Mary's School, Yala, St. Mary's High School, Yala, and subsequently a holy mass to follow at his home in Umiru in Nyamninia. It should be borne in mind that in his last tour of duty as Cabinet Secretary for Education, Professor Magoha was always in the midst of children and students. This explains why we are focusing on the schools where he had a major impact on the young people. On February 11, 2023, Professor Magoha's funeral mass will take place at Odera Kango University campus in Yala, starting at 10 a.m. The family notes with gratitude the immense love for and high regard with which the late Professor Magoha was held by Kenyans from all walks of life.